Hi, I thought I'd do a new video about storing rice. You've seen me do some before, but this one's kind of different. So I'm going to go ahead and seal a jar of rice. See how the green light went on? That tells you that the rice is sealed. And just so you know, because you know I'm all about measurements, I bought a 50-pound bag of rice at Sam's Club the other day, and 50 pounds makes 36 meals. That's 36 wide-mouth quart jars. So you'll notice this isn't really 4 cups, because this is actually 3 cups. And the reason I did that is because 3 cups of rice will fill, is a meal for my entire family. So I've opted to do meals rather than just putting it up. So that all I have to do is simply take this jar, dump it into my rice cooker, put in 4 cups of water, another 1 or 2 cups of water, boom, it's already done. One less thing to worry about and measure. Hope this helps. Thanks.